Hello, I'm visiting my ex-office because I'm not here no more. I'm no longer working here, and then I will have to open my parcel. Yeah, this is my another job to order parcel every day. So sorry for my sponsor. Excite mo, kabalo mo anong gialingin ako kay kuan. Kay para ato ni matiluan. Notch ni siya. Yeah, it's a notch. Gamay na nito niya. Kuan ni, kanang battery operated. Manana ni. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think it's color pink. Yeah. Pink para mamors. Oh my god. Oh! Yeah, it's battery operated. It is. Oh my god. Ilan sila kay na iPhone? Yeah. Oh. It means this is not the one. Oh, it's a scam. Oh. Alright, I will bring it back. Scam shame. Kamera man akong gi-order. Kanya, ang gibutang kay sabon.
One man.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sabon ka?
Yeah.
Sure?
I will bring it back to the owner.
Ipakita din na ano.